Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here gonna create a look date night. You know how we do. So if you want to see what look I create for date night, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so I have like all these like loose shadows. I think they're from Makeup Geek and NYX. Yep. So you can use any shades to do this, but I think this is from Makeup Geek. So we're just gonna go in. It's like a dark brown shade, and I'm gonna put it right here. And this is on a S215. So these are just single shadows. Please don't go buy like single shadows if you already have, you know, shadows in a palette. Like when I was starting up with my makeup, you know, like I was influenced by all this nonsense about all these single shadows, and don't do that. Don't do that. I make the mistake so you don't have to. And then I flip my brush and then just I have the giantess of pimple right here. But we're not gonna mess with that right now. We're gonna use this flathead blush. Oh, we're gonna go into this like gold, like silvery shade, maybe. And then I'm gonna use this brush from Lunar Beauty, and I'm gonna use something to just blend this. Let's go in with another loose one, which is this shade right here. Then back to this, just my first shade, and then just then back to this. It's like all hurt in my hand. Okay, so that's for this eye. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back, and I'm actually gonna use this foundation. I haven't used the foundation in a while. It's the Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer from NARS, and this is shade medium 2. Use this in forever. Or if you're interested, I use my Tatcha Silk Canvas primer. Look at this pimple at the side of our house. So I think I did a little bit more coverage. I'm gonna use this. This is the Soft Matte Complete Foundation. And I'm all over the place today, all over the place. Let me put this lash real quick. This lash, I have a feeling is gonna annoying me tonight. Foundation is so pretty. So pretty. And I'm gonna use my Pretty Fresh ColourPop concealer. You know, my only issue with this concealer is it stinks. Like, it has such a strong smell. And then we're gonna use this Vanessa Myricks Yummy Skin Concealer. Then we're gonna use this brush from MAC Cosmetics. I don't know about this brush. I think this brush is like spreading this all over the place. Well, I don't want it. This is the Morphe E6. You know what's crazy? This was supposed to be, I bought this for a concealer. Your girl was not paying attention and somebody had this in like the wrong section, and then I just picked it up. Not their fault. Like, I matched myself with the correct shade and I just assumed that whatever was in that section was the correct one, but it was not. All good. So since I already had it and I opened it, I'm like, I'll just use it for contour. You know, when life gives you lemon, you just go ahead and make lemonade. Okay, now let's blend out my concealer. I'm gonna use my slick brush from Plain Makeup by Yolondo. She has a concealer and a foundation. I want to try it, but I hate to buy stuff like that. I mean, just look at, I did it in the store and I still mess it up. And the thing is, if it's not crazy dark, I can't use it like this way. So I'm like, Then I'm gonna use this brush to like just, you know, then back to this brush, make sure everything is nicely blended. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use my Givenchy Prism powder to set the under eye and everywhere I have concealer. I'm gonna use this. This is from Patrick Ta. I don't even like saying what this is. So it is from him, and it is the Precision eyeliner, and I think this shade is Cream. But this breaks so easily, guys. Like, if you can get another one that works, get that instead. This is for the birds. For the birds. It's just not that great. And it's kind of expensive too, actually. I'm only gonna use that one shade that's in my order V. And this is on a T2. And then I'm gonna take that shade I have in my order, like, and I'm just gonna bring this down. And this is on a Makeup Geek brush. It's a small crease brush. Voila. Now we'll let us bronze up the face. It's cream. I'm gonna use my matte rich golden skin finish from MAC, and I'm gonna use my Alleyoop brush, which is dirty and I need to clean it. And then for blush, what blush I'm gonna use? Yes, this is volume 1 from Juvia's Place. I think I'm gonna use both. Maybe not the pink shade. I think the pink shade is a little bit too dark for me. I'm gonna use Spoon from Colourpop, and this is on a T12. Put my earrings real quick. We're almost done. This is the Extreme Artist Color Pencil Extreme for Makeup Forever, and this is in shade Limitless Brown. And then this is NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner, and this is in shade Club Hopper. I'm gonna do the Makeup Forever on my bottom lip, and then I'm gonna do the next one on the top. And let's go. I almost tried to bring my lip together. And on the top, we're gonna go ahead and use the NYX okay, and then to top everything off, we're gonna go ahead and use this lipstick from LYS, and this is shade Sincere. Okay, so this is how everything turned out for the little, you know, date night with the Hopster. I like how it's, I think my lip kind of matches my eye. So yeah, so that's it guys for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family. And you know what? I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.